Welcome to Tech Vibes. Your phone powers on. You see the logo, and within 2 or 3 seconds, it shuts down completely. No restart, no warning. If this is happening, do not replace parts blindly. Follow this technician-tested method step by step. Now listen carefully. First, understand the real cause. This problem is never random. In real repair work, this issue comes mainly from 4 areas: battery failure, power line short, software boot conflict, or overheating protection trigger. Step 1, battery verification. This is the most common and most ignored reason. A weak battery can show normal voltage but fail under load. When the phone draws high current during boot, the battery voltage drops instantly. The phone shuts down to protect the system. Test with a known good original battery. If battery is non-removable, connect a DC power supply set at 4.2 volt. If the phone stays on with stable current, the battery is confirmed faulty. Step 2, charger and charging port check. Many phones turn on only when charger is connected, then shut down when unplugged. This means the battery is not delivering power. Clean the charging port properly. Use isopropyl alcohol. Check for loose pins. Replace charging flex if needed. Step 3, software safe boot test. Corrupted system files can crash the boot sequence. Press power and volume down together to enter safe mode. If the phone stays on in safe mode, third-party apps are the problem. Backup data immediately, then perform factory reset. If phone restarts during reset, flash official firmware using brand-authorized tool only. Step 4, overheating sensor trigger. A shorted component causes instant heat rise. The thermal sensor detects it and shuts the phone down. This usually happens due to shorted capacitor or damaged power integrated circuit. Check phone temperature near CPU area. If it heats up abnormally within seconds, board level repair is required. Step 5, power button stuck test. The stuck power key sends continuous shutdown command. Remove power button flex temporarily and test. Many technicians miss this simple fix. Important technician advice: do not factory reset first. Do not update software randomly. Do not replace motherboard without proper diagnosis. Always isolate battery, software, and hardware step by step. Final words: 90% of phones with this issue are fixed by battery replacement or software repair. Only 10% require board work. Follow this exact process and you will save time and money. This is Tech Vibes, professional solutions, real technician experience.